Do you love the Colorado lifestyle with easy access to trails and open space, yet you also really appreciate conveniences like shopping, restaurants, healthcare, and entertainment? Then you will love the neighborhood of Stone Crossing, located on the north end of Colorado Springs. And within that neighborhood is this gem of a home, which is located at 12295 Woodmont Drive. There's 5 bedrooms, 2 of them are suites, 3 additional bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and an oversized 3-car garage. It has been beautifully updated, is in immaculate condition. I'm so excited to show it to you. When you enter the home, you'll notice soaring ceilings letting in an abundance of natural light. I love how the main level is all an open floor plan with the dining room, family room, and kitchen all one big area, which makes it easy to entertain family and friends. The kitchen has been beautifully renovated with custom cabinets, quartz countertops, KitchenAide appliances, including a gas range, and there's also counter seating. Additionally, there's this darling eat-in nook where you can enjoy your private backyard. Fully renovated bathroom completes the primary suite perfectly. Look at this beautiful vanity, and then there's a double-headed shower and a large spa-like soaking tub. Imagine escaping the stress of the day to rejuvenate in your private oasis. On the lower level, you'll find a family room with high ceilings, and it's nice and bright. Additionally, the secondary suite is down here. The bathroom has been updated. There's a large walk-in closet, and the bedroom itself is large and spacious. This is such great living space. Right off the kitchen is this wonderful patio space. It's covered, there's lights and electricity. You can see that it's a private backyard. It's a perfect place to sit outside, enjoy the sounds of nature, sunrises, sunsets, and just unwind and enjoy being home. Stone Crossing provides miles of walking trails that wind around ponds with water features, mature trees, stunning views, and ideal picnic and play spots. A community amphitheater is the perfect place for concerts and events. The trail provides a lovely walk to award-winning D20 Da Vinci Academy Elementary School and a large neighborhood park, field, tennis court, and playground. It's conveniently located in the thriving Northgate Interquest community with entertainment, restaurants, and healthcare. Minutes from I-25 and the Air Force Academy, TCA, and DCC, with easy access to downtown Colorado Springs, Monument, and Denver.